Hey everyone! If your customer list is getting a bit crowded with people you no longer do business with, it's time for a cleanup. In QuickBooks Online, we don't delete customers, we make them inactive. This hides them from your active lists while keeping your financial history safe. Here is how to do it in 3 quick steps. Step 1. Navigate to the customer list. First, go to the left-hand sidebar, hover over Sales, and select Customers. This brings up your master list of everyone you've ever invoiced. Step 2. Open the customer profile. Find the customer you want to remove. You can either scroll or use the search bar. Once you find them, click on their name to open their specific transaction page. Step 3. Make inactive. Look at the top right corner. You'll see an edit button with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down arrow and select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask for a quick confirmation. Just click Yes, Make Inactive to finish the job. If you ever need that customer back, don't worry. Just go back to your customer list, click the gear icon right above the action column, and check the box for Include Inactive. You can then click Make Active to bring them back to life instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.